In this video, I will show you how to animate background on Canva. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to go ahead and animate a background on Canva, what I'm going to do first, as you can see, we're here on canva.com. So what I'm going to do is actually just go ahead and load up a template. So we're going to go for this YouTube thumbnail. Now, what I'm going to do is come across and click onto elements on the left hand side, and in the search box at the top I'm just going to go ahead and type backgrounds. Now once I've searched for this, what I'm going to do is just click onto photos, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose something as a background. So I'm just going to have a look through, and I think I quite like this one here, so I'm going to select this as my background, and then what I'm going to do is just adjust this to the design. So I'm just going to make this so it fits the design. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now to go ahead and animate this, what you want to do is make sure you've clicked onto the image that you're using as your background. And then what you want to do is come up to the top, and on this toolbar at the top, you can see we've got an option to animate up here. So if we actually go ahead and give that a click, you're going to see on the left hand side a ton of different animations we can use. And if we actually go ahead and just hover over any of these, you can see a preview of the animation. So we've got this one called digital, we've got a ink design like this where it's like an ink splash, and there's like a sketch one over here where it kind of sketches the background in. So you can see there's a ton of different ways to animate, and we can also come down, you can see that's reveal animations, but you can see there's also general animations, and we've got add-on effects as well as like suggested ones that might help. So you can see there's actually a ton of different animations to choose from. So once you've found an animation you're happy with, what you want to do is just go ahead and click onto it to select it, just like so, to apply this to the image background, and that's going to go ahead and, as you can see, animate the background. Now, if you are trying this and you're clicking onto animate and for some reason it's not working, then what you want to do is actually right click onto the image, and there should be an option here which says detach from background or something like that. You want to make sure that the image is not actually set as the background. You want to detach it from the background, or else you're not going to be able to animate it. But once you've done that, just follow the steps by clicking onto animate, select new animation, then of course clicking it to apply to your background. So that is how to animate background on Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.